Hello, my friends in the Forex for Beginners family. Wait a minute, let me get a drink of water. Okay, my name is Camille, and I've been a member of the Forex for Beginners Academy, learning Forex for a little over a couple months, since October of last year. And I have learned so many things since I've started taking this course. I've learned market structure, and I want to let you know that market structure to me is one of the most important things you can learn, because you have to know which way the market is moving, or else you can blow accounts like I used to before I actually started taking the class. I used to play on a demo because I heard about Forex. I didn't know anything about it. I just heard about it. So I played on demo and I felt like I was gambling a lot. I would put big lot sizes on, didn't make any money. I actually lost a lot on my demo accounts, of course. But anyway, I just want to let everybody know that Saad Ali, oh my God, he's a life changer for me, because with this level of knowledge that I've gained from him, and hopefully I become a $1 million trader one of these days. But anyway, I want to say thank you, Saad, for the class, and thank you for allowing me to be a member of your Forex family. And I will see you guys later. Thank you.